Aging is a fact of life. When we exercise, we push our muscles beyond their day-to-day role. This makes them stronger and can reverse the effects of aging. Did you know it's the same for your skin? Ageless Clinics are proud to be the first medical laser clinic in Australia to offer the Fraxel Restore Dual, the first gym for your skin. The worldwide leader in facial rejuvenation treatments, Fraxel reaches deep into the skin, triggering your body's natural healing response to create collagen and elastin. It's rebuilding your skin from the inside out. The result? Younger, smoother-looking skin with significant reduction in age-related pigment and wrinkles. It's the workout for your skin that can be done in your lunch hour. And with minimal downtime, patients can often return to work immediately. For a limited time, receive up to 50% off your treatments, plus an additional area on your body treated for free. Ageless Clinics and Fraxel Restore Dual, the first gym for your skin.